There is this popular saying that says, "You are what you eat." Yes, guys, you are what you eat. Most of us have this problem of not being open to trying out new meals, new food, regardless of how important, how nutritious the food is. Most of us are not open to trying it. Look at it this way: our forefathers lived long. Most of them were very strong even in their old age. This is mostly because of what they ate. Most of us in this time and age, if it's not egusi, if it is not ogbono soup, we are not having it. Why not try and keep an open mind when it comes to food and enjoy the good things of life? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yosi and this is my corner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this very delicious pot of Baobab soup, also known as MIYAN KUKA, while I talk about the benefits of this leaf. Kuka is also called Baobab. It is found all over the world, but in Nigeria, it is mostly found in the northern part. So this leaf is said to be very high in fiber. It is also high in vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, iron, phosphorus, and potassium. In fact, guys, research has it that the potassium in baobab leaf is more than the potassium in banana. Like, it is crazy. And we all know that potassium plays a very important role in maintaining the body's fluid balance and the kidney function. So guys, this leaf is very important in maintaining the kidneys function. Also, the leaves focuses on gut health because it has high anti-inflammatory properties and also antioxidant properties. The leaf is very vital. It is very vital. I know that sometimes or most times when we are about to eat, we actually go with what we are used to. Maybe when it comes to how the food looks, the texture of the food, and even the taste. But guys, let us try and be open to trying out new food, especially those foods that are packed with nutrients. Okay, this leaf also aid for those people that are on a weight loss journey, because the leaf is very low in calories and because of the high fiber content. So the leaf aids weight loss for those that are on a weight loss journey. This is a very good alternative for our egusi, ogbono, ofe akwu, all those soups that are full of calories. Kuka leaves can be used in a whole lot of ways. We can use it for our soups. We can also use it as a beverage, that is for our tea. You can brew it and just drink the tea. It is very helpful. It is very medicinal. Another interesting aspect of this leaf is that we can use it as a mask on our skin. Because of the vitamin C component in the leaf, it helps in lightening dark spots, promoting a healthier and an even toned complexion. Guys, you can just put in a bit of water in the powder, you mix it and apply it on your skin as a mask. It helps with the skin health. Kuka is also used on the hair. You make it as a mask, apply it on your hair. It repairs damaged hair, and it also promotes growth and hydration. Some people even infuse it into oils, and they apply it on their skin and on their hair. Guys, kuka powder or kuka in general is very, very medicinal, and it is very, very nutritious. Making kuka soup is very easy. You just go in with your protein, you cook your protein of choice, then you go in with little oil in your pot, add your onions, your peppers, your dawa, your iru. You go in with any seasoning of your choice, add water. When it comes to a boil, you add the kuka powder. I love cooking my soup with dry fish. It changes the game for me. So this is just a very simple soup to make that will give you lots of health benefits. We don't always have to break the bank to eat healthy. Like most plants, kuka grows on a tree. You can either make the soup with the fresh leaves, but the fresh leaves are always very scarce, very hard to get. So you always get the powdered one, easily get the powdered one in the market. And do you know that traditionally, this baobab powder has been used to relieve diarrhea, constipation, and dysentery. Like I'm very sure because of the fiber, the soluble fiber found in the leaves, it helps with healthy bacteria in the gut. You understand? It promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. So tell me in the comment section, have you ever had this soup before, or are you willing to try? Guys, we have access to research tools and materials where we can make our own research on what we consume. Guys, look how beautiful this soup is. And of course, it tasted amazing. It was super delicious. Please try it. Give it a try, okay? You can enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. Guys, please, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Like this video, share this video so that others will know the benefit of this leaf as well, and also give me a thumbs up. That will go a long way in encouraging me. And to my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. Please do not forget to turn on your bell notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my OGs, as usual, una own no go spoil. Until I see you all in my next video. Bye.